for the past 1 week or so, we have been learning fractions. And why are we learning fractions? Yes, because yes, fractions, we interact with fractions on a day to day basis. Every day, practically, we are seeing fractions all around us. In fact, we are seeing numbers all around us. And all numbers we don't get in proper form. Sometimes we have to share, sometimes we have to split, sometimes we have to divide. Okay. We have to, we deal with fractions every day. So, what is fraction? Again, let us quickly recap. Uh, Subhashri, what is fraction? Quickly, what is a fraction? Subhashri, I've asked Subhashri. No, tell in your own words. What is a fraction? What do you understand by a fraction? Never be worried about making mistake. Just tell, don't worry. Whatever you think, because 90% time you will be correct. Fraction. What is a fraction? Yes. So anything if you divide, you get a fraction, correct? Anything which is division is got fraction. Yes, Govardhan, tell me. It is a equal part of a group. Very good. So division into equal parts is nothing but fractions. When you divide a number into equal parts, it is a fraction. For example, if I have a chocolate bar and I divide it into two parts, two equal parts, then I give this to somebody. Then how much fraction of the chocolate have I given? I have given 1 by 2 of that chocolate to somebody. 1 by 2 is called a fraction. If I ask how much fraction of the chocolate remains with me, the other half remains with me. That is also 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 of the chocolate remains with me. 1 by 2 I gave to somebody. Fraction. Simple. No complication, nothing. Fraction. Okay. Now, once I know what a fraction is, what do I learn next? I have to learn something called type of fraction. Types of fraction. So, can somebody tell me how many types of fractions are there? Okay. Nitisha, tell me the first. Wait, hold on. Nitisha, tell me the first type of fraction you know. Govardhan, lower your hand. I'll ask you. Which one? Proper fraction. Second type, who knows? Who is me? No, no, wait. Bhargavi. Bhargavi. Improper fraction. Okay. Third type, Archana. Third type, who knows? Yes, very good. So, mixed fraction. Proper, improper, mixed. Very good. Okay. So, please tell me, I'm going to write, now I'm writing some number. Children, please mute. Children, please mute. Thank you. So I'm going to write a number, which is a fraction. And I want you all to tell me which type of fraction this is in chat box privately to me. Which type of fraction this is? Correct, Bhargavi. Fastest finger first. Bhargavi is first. Next. Only Bhargavi has written. Archana, correct. Correct, Govardhan. Correct, Dhanya. Very good, Nitisha. Excellent, children. Good. Correct, Subhashri. Correct, Kirtana. Others. Shravan, correct. Others. Naveen, correct. Kavya, correct. Very good. So most of you have got it correct. It is a proper fraction. Okay. Can somebody tell me why it is proper fraction? Okay, Shravan, tell me. Shravan. Shravan, why is this a proper fraction? Shravan? Shravan, why is this a proper fraction? Okay, Shravan can't hear me. Arfa, why is it a proper fraction? Okay, Arfa can't. Dhanya. Why is this a proper fraction? Excellent. So numerator is smaller than children. Nobody uses my whiteboard. Okay, because in 2 by 3, this is numerator, this is denominator, and numerator is less than denominator. Hence, it is called a proper fraction. Clear? Simple. This is very, very simple. Okay, so let's go back. Let's delete this. Let's give you another fraction. Now let's give you another fraction. Please tell me which kind of fraction this is in chat box. Privately. Bhargavi, correct. Govardhan, think again. See properly. Correct, Archana. Correct, Subhashri. Correct. Archana, how many times you sent? Correct, Nitisha. Govardhan, correct yourself. Tell me. Yes. No, Govardhan. Okay. Correct. So, children, this is a no alpha. This is again a proper fraction. Look carefully. Govardhan, what is the numerator? 135. And what is denominator? Which is bigger, which is smaller? So, when numerator is smaller, what fraction it becomes? Proper fraction. I just confused you all by making the numbers very close. Correct? But it is a proper fraction. Okay. Now let's rub this. Let's find out another one. Let's give a bigger number. Please tell me which type of fraction this is in private chat. Correct, Bhargavi. Correct, correct. Nitisha, think again. Correct, Archana. Correct, Danya. Kavya, think again. Children, very simple it is. Very simple. Just see what is the numerator 3521 and what is denominator 3440. Which is less? Which is less? Arfa? 3521 is less than 3440 or greater? Greater. So obviously numerator became greater than denominator. Hence, this is improper. Correct? So it is improper fraction. The good thing about improper fraction is that it can be converted to it can be converted to yes, improper fraction can always be converted to mixed fraction. Let's see. Suppose I have a improper fraction. Say for example, I have 23 divided by 5. Okay? 23 divided by 5. So what happens? How will I convert it into? Okay, let me take a smaller number for you all this time. Okay, let me take 9. What kind of fraction this is? Yeah, please. Improper fraction because 9 is bigger than 5. So this is improper. Okay. What is the meaning of this? Visualize. Okay. Visualize. Let us say we have 9. So we have 9 apples. So I will change this to red color. 9. Okay. 9 apples. What are these? Okay, 9 apples. And what is 5? I have to divide 9 apples to say 5 children. So let me draw the 5 children. 5 children. Okay. So what happens is, yeah, what happens? Every child will definitely get 1 apple, correct? 1 apple, definitely they will get. How many are remaining? 4 are remaining, remainder. 4 are remaining. So what happens is, each child gets how much? Each child gets how many apples? 1 apple the child gets. Yes, so each child gets 1 apple. Remainder is how much? 4 out of 5. So each child gets 1 full apple and remaining 4 apples have to be further divided to 5 children. So your mixed fraction has become 1. Yes, so you got 1, which is nothing but these black apples which came here. This 4 is nothing but remainder. So I will change the color. I will write it in green. 4 and 5 are again whatever remained. So 5 are children, yellow. And 1 should be what color? 1 should be black. Correct, no? 1 should be black. So one full apple children got, remainder was 4 apples, that has to be further divided to 5 children. This is the visual form of mixed fraction. Visual form. So that's why I used a small number so that you all can visualize and understand. So, but what is the technique? The technique is very simple. So I will rub this. Okay, let it be. I will not rub it. I will use a new board. Okay. So now, suppose I take the same number, 9 by 5. So now visually I understood. Correct, no? How it became 1 by 4. Oh, sorry, 1 4 by 5. But otherwise, if I have to have technique, it is simple. 9 divided by 5, long division. Okay. 5 ones are 5. Remainder 4. So this one which is there, this one will come and become one full apple. The whole number, the full apple which the children got. Then what happens is this remainder will come here and become 4. And how many children were there? This divided among 5 children, correct? This will come here down. It becomes 4 divided by 5. This is the technique, children. So when you have big numbers, you have to straight away divide. So now you'll see I got the same mixed fraction visually also and by technique also. Visually also I got 1 4 by 5 and by technique also I got 1 4 by 5. Which means what? Which means each child got one full apple and the remaining 4 apples had to be divided again to 5 children. Clear? This is how we convert. This is how we convert improper fraction to proper fraction. So converting this, all you have done in previous classes, children. Converting improper to mixed fraction. Correct? So now what happens is, now we have understood visual and we have understood technique. So now we have to do practice. So straight away I will give you, please give me private chat box mixed fraction. Fastest finger first, whoever. As of now, Bhargavi has got all 3 fastest finger first. She is leading in points. 23 by 5 mixed fraction. Can you see my screen, children? I'm not able to see the chats. Children, I'm going out and coming back, okay? Yes, Vijay. No. Danya is correct. Danya is also not correct. Only Govardhan is correct. Danya is correct. Yeah, second time Danya is correct. No, Nitisha. No, 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 nobody else. Quickly, yes, Vijay, you raise your hand. Vijay, you raise your hand. Oh, no problem. No problem. Give me your answers, children, quickly. Let me check. No. Where is Subha? Where is yours, Subha? No. No, no, no. Govardhan. Dhanya. Yes, Dhanya is correct. Remaining nobody. Come on, children. Others. Yes, Bhargavi correct. Nitisha, no, not yet. Children, very simple. Okay. Others. Come on, children. It is better to try rather than not try. So all others who are not trying, Kavya, Kirtana, Naveen, Sukanya, Vijay, Manasa is not there. Manasa left. Arfa. Try. Don't worry about making mistake. Anil, quickly. There's no harm in trying. No, Shruva. Okay. Now, Govardhan, can you tell me what you all did? Long division. Simple technique. 5 divided by, 23 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20. Remainder 4. So, sorry. Yes, yes, 3, 3. My mistake. 3. So, what happens? What happens? So, every person will get the 4 whole. Remainder 3 will come here. And it had to be divided by 5. 4, 3 by 5 is the answer. Again, I will do for you all. What was the fraction? 23 by 5. So straight away 5, long division 23. 5 fours are 20. Remainder is 3. So this 4 becomes the whole. This 3 comes on top, the remainder. And it was the original denominator. The original denominator will come down again. 4, 3 by 5. So your answer is, you understood, children? Yes. So, yes. So once you understand, next step is always practice. More and more practice. So again, let us do fastest finger first. Put in chat. Mute yourselves. Mute, mute. Correct. Govardhan. Correct, Danya. Quickly join, quickly. When I say quickly, I'm only putting pressure. Okay, but you all do without mistake. Okay. Good, good, good. Subhashri. Yes, Bhargavi, correct. No, Vinay. Correct, Archana. Sukanya, it is not proper. I'm asking you mixed fraction. Nitisha, no. Subhashri, correct. Mute, mute, mute. Others, Kirtana, Kavya, expect. Good, good, good. Arfa, Anil, Kavya, Naveen, Vijay. Children, Vijay is also joined from Channasandra to GHS Imadiali. Welcome, Vijay, on behalf of everybody. Okay, who can help me do this? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Okay, Govardhan has been given chance. Okay, Subhashri. Okay. Children, can you hear me? Yeah. Subhashri, I can't hear you. Okay. Okay. You did long digit. Okay. Yeah, tell me. So you got 16 divided by 3, right? Okay. So then 3, 3. Okay. So 5 becomes whole. Then remainder comes here 1 divided by. Very good. Very good. So I got 5 1 by 3. Understood, children? Yeah. Simple. So it is answer is 5 1 by 3. 5 1 by 3. Think and okay. Okay. One more. One more. Okay. Then I will give you all worksheet. Then you all will do in that practice. Okay. So I have one more. I have waiting quickly, children. That's why you all should remember learn your multiplication tables. Correct. Correct. Correct, Bhargavi. Correct, Danya. Correct, Subhashri. Correct, Govardhan. Correct, Nitisha. Children, I am getting answers only from the children who are regularly giving me. I am not worrying about correct answers or wrong, but I want answers from all. I will know you all are trying. That is more important for me. Quickly, children. That means all those who are answering are not answering. You all are not. Let me check. Yes, Vinay, correct. No, Archana. No, 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 Sukanya. Think, see how you're writing the mixed fraction. It is correct, but you made a slight mistake. Your whole number is correct. The fraction part is wrong. Sukanya. No, 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 no. Okay, Bhargavi, tell us how you did. Okay, so you had 52 divided by 7, correct? Yeah. Yes. 7 whole. Correct. 3 and this 7 comes here. 7, 3 by 7. Okay, children. So we have 7, 3 by 7. Simple, children, it is. Okay, one more last. Yes, correct, Sukanya. And yes, sorry. Yeah, okay. What was the fraction? 52 by 7. Correct? 52 by 7. What does it mean? It means if I have 52 items, I want to divide it into 7 parts. Clear, no? 7 equal parts. I want to divide this into 7 equal parts. Clear? That is why I do division. Fractions is nothing but division into smaller parts, correct? So 52 divided by 7. And we have learned long division, correct? In class 4 or something. Long division, simple, we should know multiplication table. 52 divided by 7. 7 multiplied by how much will take you close to 52? So how many times? 7 multiplied how many times will give you 49? 7 sevens are 49. Then I have to minus, correct? How much I get 52 minus 49? 3. Now 3 is smaller than 7. I cannot divide it. I have to convert it to decimal. Yeah, but we are not learning decimals. We are learning fractions here. So when I divided 52 items, 7 equal parts, each part had how many full items? 7, correct? 7. So it is called whole. 7. How many remained which I could not divide equally? 3. 3 was remainder. So 3 comes here because that 3 I have to further divide by 7. It is simple. Simple logic. That is why I showed you all first visually what is the meaning of improper fraction and then I showed you all the technique. Clear? Okay. So it is very simple to understand. Yeah. So let me, one second. Yeah. So let me view all the whiteboards. One more I will give you all. One more. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So let me give you all. Quickly, faster finger. Who was that? Very good. Very good. So this cannot be converted to mixed fraction. Why? Because this is a proper fraction. So this cannot be converted to mixed fraction. This was a I was trying to yes. So it cannot be converted because this is a proper fraction. Very good. Because numerator is smaller than denominator. I can convert it. I can convert actually, but it doesn't make sense. Like for example, the mixed fraction I will get is 0 5 by 6, which is nothing but 5 by 6. This this 0, yes, this 0 is of no meaning. Understood, children? So improper fractions cannot be converted to mixed fractions. Very nice. So we have done understood what is converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now I will slightly change this and I will ask you all converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. So first we had done improper to mixed. Now I want to understand how to do mixed to improper. So what do I do? I will first try to understand visually what happens. Okay. So let me understand. Suppose I have two separate cakes. That's why two separate colors. And I have divided them into four equal parts. Both the cakes are same size. All the parts are equal. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Red cake, 4 parts. Yellow cake, 4 parts. Both cakes are equal in size. All parts are equal in size. Okay. I gift this entire cake. Okay. I give this entire cake to my brother. Okay. Okay. I give it to Shubha. Okay. One full cake to Shubha. Okay. And one piece of this yellow cake. Say this piece. This piece. I give to Shubha again. I'm very partial. I'm only giving Shubha. So Shubha gets one full cake, correct? Plus how much? Plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Correct? Okay. Okay. So this is nothing but 1 by 1 by 4. This is a mixed fraction. Okay. Very good. So what I do is they're all same in size. They're all same size, same parts are all same size. So what I do is I will rub this and I will only draw how much I gave Shubha. So I gave Shubha this much. Correct? No? Yeah. So now we don't know there were two cakes. Now we know there are 5 pieces. Now how many pieces are there? 5 pieces. So I have one, two, three, four, and 5 pieces. Correct? Okay. Okay. So I have totally 5 pieces. What was his first piece? So how many pieces I have added? So I had 1 minute, children. So first piece size is how much? What is the fraction of that first piece? No, first piece, this one. This one. Okay, let me change the colors for you. Now all the numbers I will change the color, okay? Okay. Okay. So let this be red 1. Somebody is trying to enter one side, children. Yeah. So second is again yellow I'm using. Wait. Yeah, yeah. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So I have first piece is how, what is the fraction of the first piece? 1 by 4. Okay, what is the fraction of the second piece? 1 by 4. The 2 is the second piece. But what is the fraction? 1 by 4. What is the fraction of the third piece? What is the fraction of the fourth piece? And what is the fraction of the fifth piece? Totally how much? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 how much? 5 by 4. So what is the fraction of cake Shubhashi got? 5 by 4. How 20? Who said 20? How you got 20, Shubha? Where did 20 come from? Don't multiply. 5 by 4 is a fraction. Don't. It is, no, 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 no. There is no multiplication here. Fraction means division. You're dividing into smaller parts. So 5 divided by 4. So remember this. 5 divided by 4 is how much Shubha got. So I will rub the remaining things. Okay. Okay. So I will rub this and I will write 1 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. Correct? Same, no? Now this is mixed and this is improper fraction. Which is mixed? This is mixed fraction and this is improper fraction. So I converted that visually to I proved to you all by drawing. I proved to you all how 1 by 4 is same as 5 by 4. But every time I cannot draw. No, drawing is only for understanding. I have to have a technique. What is the technique? Technique is very simple. What was my mixed fraction? 1. I'll use same color, okay, children? 1 by 4. Okay, no, I'll use different color. Sorry. Wait, I'll use the whole is a different color. The wait, children. Somebody is trying Hemant. Hemant is coming so late. 1. Okay. And I have 1 by 4. 1 by 4. How do I convert this to improper fraction? Very simple. Equal to whatever is the red color. Then I multiply by the green color. Then I add the yellow color. And then I divide by the red color. So 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. So I will use green plus 1 divided by 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to, this is a technique. No, no, you all will understand when I do. The problem is when you all have to do practice. So, moment you do practice, then you will become expert in it. Okay, so it is very simple. This green is called the whole number. This is called the remainder, and this is called the divisor. Correct? So you have to multiply red by green plus yellow divided by red. Clear? So we'll do practice. We we'll do practice now. Okay. So let's start. So I have a mix. Now I'm converting mixed to improper fraction. Okay. So I have 2. Give me the improper fraction. So for the first one, I'll help you. Okay. What was the colors I had used? So I had green, I had yellow, and red, no? Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let me see who all are correct. No, Bhargavi. Archana correct. Govardhan correct. Nitisha, you have to get a fraction, not number. Fraction. Subhashri correct. Bhargavi, do again. Others, children, others. I am waiting for others to answer. Nobody else is answering. Waiting for Hemant, good evening. Waiting for Kavya, Kirtana, Sukanya, Vijay, Naveen. Anil went. Anil is there. Vinay. Dhanya, no Dhanya. Dhanya, no. Yeah, who's that? Yeah, Naveen. No, Naveen, no. You got a proper fraction, Naveen. Mixed fraction, no Kirtana. Some error, slight error you are doing. Dhanya, Kirtana. Okay, let's do it for you all. Let's do it. What had I told? I had told very simple. Yes. Who's that? Vijay. Vijay, let me check if I got your answer. Let me check. Vinay's I got. Vijay, I didn't get yours. Yeah, I got yours, Vijay. No, it's incorrect though. But okay, no problem. Let's check. What have I told? I had told whatever is there in the denominator, which is in red, multiplied by green, which is a whole number, plus the remainder, which is 3, divided by the red. 5, always we do when we have multiplication, addition, minus, division and all together, we will do the multiplication or division first. So 5 multiplied by 2, 10, plus 3 divided by 5, which is nothing but 13 by 5. Understood, children? It is always 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3. You always go like this. I will show you all with arrow if you all can understand. First, go, let me thin this. Okay. Now go 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3 divided by 5. First arrow will have multiplication, second arrow will have plus, third arrow will have division. Okay, let me do it for you all in a bigger one. Suppose I have 2, 3 by 5. Then I will always go like this, then like this, then like this. This will be multiplication, this will be addition, this will be division. So I have 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3 divided by. Understood, children? Just remember this. Just remember, this is a technique. Technique in maths is only by practice. Concept you understood, visually we understood. Now technique. Clear? Let's do it again. Let's do again. Where am I? Yeah. Okay, let's do one more. Now I will not give you a color, okay? Now you all have to imagine the colors. Okay, let's have. Correct, Danya. Correct, Govardhan. Correct, Archana. Remember the arrows I made. Correct, Kirtana. Very good. See, correct, Vinay. Excellent. Very good. Now I'm getting answers from not the same people. Very nice. I'm liking that. Good. Naveen, slight mistake you made, but you're near. You're very close. Slight mistake. I think you made an addition. Check again. Or very good, Kavya. Excellent. Very good, Shubhashri. Others. Waiting for others. Bhargavi. Nitisha, no. Nitisha, no. Check again. Hemant, waiting. Where is Shravant? Shravant has left. What happened? Network. Okay, very good. Who is uh, Naveen? You sent again? Let me check. Naveen, no, no, Naveen. Check again. You were nearly correct. Your denominator was correct. Numerator was slightly wrong. Naveen, you're nearly there. Your first answer was nearly correct. Second answer is not correct. Mine, Govardhan. Correct. You had sent before also. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct. Bhargavi, I have not got. Yeah, by 6 is correct, but what is the number? Good. Children. So, Naveen, by 6. Bhargavi, by 6. That's correct. Yeah. Yes. Naveen, tell me how you did. And I'm what? Tell me what you multiply. No, no, no. 3 into 4, why? I had told all. No, 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 no. Arrow, remember the arrow. No, arrow, remember arrow. Arrow is this multiplication, this addition, and then full thing division. So, what will you multiply? What will you multiply, Naveen? Yeah, 6. Yes. Yes. Then, yes. Then, divide by 6. I'm coming down because I'm coming down. See, I'm coming down. I'm going like this, then I'm going like this, then I'm going like this. So in this first step, I'm doing multiplication. Second step, I'm doing plus, and last step, I'm doing whole division. Simple it is, children. Moment you do, yeah. Now tell me, Naveen, what 6 into 3 is how much? Multi. Yes, 18. So I have 18 plus 4 divided by 6. 18 plus 4 is how much? 22. 22 divided by 6. Simple answer. Simple technique. One more, children. Last for the day. Okay, now everybody should be able to do. Okay. Okay. Now everybody should be able to do. Mm, just remember the arrows and remember what the first arrow you should do, what the second arrow you should do, what third arrow you should do. Very good. Very good, Govardhan. Very good, Danya. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Children, mute yourself. Mute, mute. Vinay, mute. Naveen, mute. Sorry. Subhashi, your addition is wrong. Archana, no. Archana, no. Sukanya, correct. Archana, wrong. Archana, wrong. Kirtana, correct. Subhashi, slight mistake. Nitisha, correct. Kavya, slight mistake in addition. Naveen, divide by 1 कहाँ से आ गया? Yes, Vinay, correct. Naveen, check again. Naveen, check. Kavya, correct. Divide by the lower number, 4. Plus 4 divided by 4. Very good, Archana. Correct. Others, waiting. Hemant, waiting. Yes, I told correct also, no? Done, children? Bhargavi, slight error in addition, multiplication and addition. Hemant, correct, but divide by what? Naveen, divide by what? Naveen, where did you get 8 from? Yes, Bhargavi, correct. Yours is correct, Subhashi. Again, okay. What I told you. Okay, all children, again. Just remember the arrow like this, then like this, then like this. Who's that? Hemant, wait. Hemant. Yes, Hemant, but you're dividing by what? You're not giving me you're divided by what? You're giving me number, but it has to be a fraction. So, all of you, again, the first arrow will contain what? Multiplication. Second arrow is plus. Third arrow is division. And see where it is moving. So, what I do, Naveen? Tell me first step. Tell me what you're multiplying. 4 into 5 plus 1 and then divide by 4. So 4 into 5 is how much? 20 plus 1 divided by 4. 21 divided by 4 is the answer. Hemant, you wrote 21, but you didn't write divided by 4. Hemant, got it? Hemant? Can you hear me, Hemant? Yeah, so you wrote 21, but you didn't write 21 divided by 4. Vijay is still waiting for your answer. Good. So now, children, I will give you all worksheet. Do it. Then it will become practice. Then you'll remember. Don't do the homework, children. That is very important. Okay. So today, we what have we learned? We have learned types of fraction. Yes. So today we will quickly recap. We did fractions, we did types of fractions, and we learned how to convert improper to mixed and mixed to improper. First, we learned visually so that we understand the concept. Then we learned the technique. What is the technique for improper to mixed? Improper fraction to mixed fraction, what the technique? Yes, please, anybody. Yes, answer. Yes, for converting improper to mixed is long division. That's all. For converting mixed to improper is arrow system. Multiply plus divide. Clear? So as you keep doing it, you will understand, because when we have to finish fractions, then decimals, then percentage, then we will go to 9 syllabus starting. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed the class, children. Now we will continue tomorrow. We will tomorrow learn simplification, and then we will learn comparison of fractions. Okay. Bye then, children. Have a good evening. Eat well, sleep well. Bye. Take care. Bye, children. Sorry. You're welcome. Sorry. Tomorrow is Tuesday, same time, 6:15. Okay. Only Wednesdays and Fridays, it is at 5 o'clock. Yes. I am teaching my own as of now. I am doing bridge. Okay. Children, syllabus. Don't worry about syllabus. In maths, worry more about understanding. Syllabus automatically will get cleared. Don't worry. Okay. Idea is the fundamental has to be very strong. Once your fundamental is strong, any syllabus you will clear. Not a problem. Okay. Don't worry. Just be with me. Your maths will be very strong. Okay. Don't worry. Because I will teach you by visualization. And visualization is best way to understand maths. Okay, children. Bye then. Have a good evening, children. Tata. Bye, Kavya. Bye, Govardhan. Bye, Sukanya. Bye, Archana. Bye, Vinay. Bye, Naveen. Bye, Vijay. Take care. Closing the meeting. Eat well, sleep well. Okay? Kavya, Govardhan, Naveen, and Vijay. Only all are remaining. Bye.